Good morning, students. Today we will discuss some important formulas in differentiation. From these formulas, we can also find integral formulas. The first formula is d by dx of x is equal to 1. When we differentiate the function x with respect to x, we get 1. Then integral of 1 dx is equal to x plus c. You can easily write the integral formula. Integral of 1 dx equal to x plus c. The another one, d by dx of x raised to n plus 1. When we are differentiating the function x raised to n plus 1 with respect to x, we get n plus 1 x raised to n. Then we can find the integral formula, integral of x raised to n dx. X raised to n dx equal to x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Easily find. When we differentiate in the function x raised to n plus 1 with respect to s, we get n plus 1 into x raised to n. Then integral of x raised to n equal to x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Then third formula, d by dx of log x. D by dx of log x is equal to 1 by x. Then integral of 1 by x dx. Integral of 1 by x dx is equal to log x plus c. When we differentiating log x with respect to x, we get 1 by x. Then integrate this function 1 by x dx equal to log x plus c. The next formula, d by dx of a raised to x. D by dx of a raised to x is equal to a raised to x log a to base e. Then integral of a raised to x dx. Integral of a raised to x dx equal to a raised to x divided by log a to the base e plus c. When we differentiating the function a raised to x with respect to x, we get a raised to x into log a to the base e. The integral of a raised to x dx equal to a raised to x by log a to the base e plus c. Then fifth formula, d by dx of sin x. D by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. Then integral of cos x dx is equal to sin x plus c. When we are differentiating the function sin x with respect to x, we get cos x. The integral of cos x dx equal to sin x plus c. D by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Minus sin x. Then integral of sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. Minus cos x plus c. Then seventh formula, d by dx of tan x. D by dx of tan x is equal to d by dx of tan x. Tan x is equal to sec square x. D by dx of tan x is equal to sec square x. Then integral of sec square x dx is equal to tan x plus c. Tan x plus c. Then d by dx of cosec x dx. Cosec x. D by dx of cosec x. When we are differentiating the function cosec x with respect to x, we get minus cosec x cot x. Minus cosec x cot x. That implies integral of cosec x cot x dx is equal to minus cosec x plus c. Minus cosec x plus c. In this way, we can easily find the integral formula. When we know the differentiation formula, from the differentiation formula, we can easily find the integral formula. D by dx of cosec x is equal to minus cosec x cot x. That implies integral of cosec x cot x is equal to minus cosec x plus c. Then d by dx of cot x, d by dx of cot x equal to minus cosec square x, minus cosec square x. D by dx of cot x equal to minus cosec square x. The integral of cosec square x dx, cosec square x dx is equal to minus cot x plus c, minus cot x plus c. Then d by dx of sine inverse x. When we differentiate the function sine inverse x with respect to x, d by dx of sine inverse x is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. 1 by root of 1 minus x square. That implies integral of 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to sine inverse x plus. Then d by dx of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. That is 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to minus cos inverse x plus c. Therefore, integral of 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx have two answers. One sine inverse x plus c or minus cos inverse x plus c. Then d by dx of tan inverse x, that is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. That implies 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse x plus c. Tan inverse x plus c. Then d by dx of cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. That implies integral of 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to minus cot inverse x plus. Therefore, integral of 1 by 1 plus x square dx have two answers. Then one is tan inverse x plus c or minus cot inverse x plus c. The next formula is d by dx of sec inverse x. D by dx of sec inverse x is equal to 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. That implies integral of 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 dx is equal to sec inverse x plus c. Then d by dx of cosec inverse x, that is minus 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. That implies 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 is dx equal to minus cosec inverse x plus c. Therefore, integral of 1 by x into root of x square minus 1 have two answers. The first answer is sec inverse x plus c or minus cosec inverse x plus c. Then d by dx of e raised to ax plus b. E raised to ax plus b is equal to a into e raised to ax plus b. Then integral of e raised to ax plus b dx is equal to e raised to ax plus b 1 by a e raised to ax plus b. When we differentiate e raised to ax plus b with respect to x, we get a into e raised to ax plus b. Integral of e raised to ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a e raised to ax plus b. Then d by dx of sine ax plus b. Sin ax plus b is equal to cos ax plus b. Cos ax plus b into a into cos ax plus b. Then integral of cos ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a sin ax plus b. 1 by a sin ax plus b. Then d by dx of tan ax plus b. Tan ax plus b is equal to a into sec square ax plus b. A into sec square ax plus b. Then integral of sec square ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a tan ax plus b. 1 by a tan ax plus b. D by dx of log ax plus b. D by dx of log ax plus b is equal to log ax plus b, 1 by ax plus b, a into 1 by ax plus b. That implies integral of 1 by ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a log ax plus b. 1 by a log ax plus b plus. Then d by dx of cot ax plus b. D by dx of cot ax plus b is equal to minus cosec square ax plus b into a. That implies integral of cosec square ax plus b dx is equal to 1 by a minus 1 by a cot ax plus b plus d by dx of sec ax plus b is equal to a into sec ax plus b into tan ax plus b. Then integral of sec ax plus b into tan ax plus b is equal to 1 by a sec ax plus b. So similarly, we can easily find from the integration formula, from the differentiation formula, we can also find the integral formula. Okay, thank you.